battery lasts 2 years and you can replace it. Okay, so this is a Bluetooth keyboard by Logitech, and it's you can connect it to the MacBook through Bluetooth, which I have done. I'm connecting it to my MacBook to write from. I actually quite like it because I get worried about bashing keys sometimes when typing or playing games. I sometimes don't like to be too heavy-handed, and so I like having this keyboard, and also you can connect it to the iPad iOS device. Okay, so you can just connect it here. Then you click that and it connects to your first Bluetooth device, and then you can click here to connect to your second. So here's your first, then you can connect to your second, and then you can connect to your third. Grey buttons there. You can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices, and these Bluetooth devices there can be used interchangeably. I quite like this compared to the Apple Magic Keyboard, as you need to disconnect and connect to another device to use it. However, this one you can be connected up to 3 devices interchangeably, which is quite a nice feature when changing from devices, and also it is quite a cheaper option to choose. You know, so can it connect to the iPad? So if you're looking for an alternative to the Magic Keyboard, which is quite expensive, this is quite a good option, because then you can write on your iPad through the wireless keyboard. And also it's small and compact. However, there is a more slim design. However, there isn't like more tactile feedback. It's kind of like pressing on paper and you can't really feel the keys. I selected this one because I touch type and I like to feel the keys, or normally if I can't, I normally mistype, and that creates errors in my writing and frustrates me quite a lot of the time. There is a slimmer one, but it's like paper, so you know you can't feel it, so you know you have to keep looking at the keyboard. I prefer to just type and not look on it. And this is the Logitech mouse, which also connects to the MacBook, and I quite like it because I don't really use mouses, so it's quite a new experience, and also I found it quite useful in some instances in games to look around, or even that I can use it, not use the trackpad and keep going towards the trackpad. I can use the mouse instead, which is easy with the keyboard.